Poke my mother.
And all his ghosts.
Oh, there's a goat for you. Leave me some good skull, man. Ah, lay it down.
Oh, they truth and I will die.
Never true, skull man. When God wills it. I will try to live in the meantime and eat your victuals. Come to the court. Yes, you called me yesterday on that squire, but I will make you stay a squire alone because we have paid fault to. And you can mock a leek, you can eat a leek.
No, Captain, you astonished him.
I said, I will make him eat some part of my leek, or I will feed his pain 4 days. Oh, like, I pray you, it's good for your green wound and your bloody coxcomb. Yes, certainly, and I will doubt not a question to you and ambiguities.
Oh, my little leek, I was horribly...
I swear. Much good to you, skullman. Heartily. Nay, I pray you burn it away. Ha ha. We have some more sauce with your leek. Nay, there's not enough leek. Just swear it all. Oh. Quiet now, Tonto. See, I eat. Huh? Much good to you then.